Another Saturday morning in the old city of Jerusalem, Holy Sepulchre, in the Christian quarter. Look at the birds. A man gave them food. They are enjoying it there. I'm walking alone by myself for sure. Me, myself, and I. Enjoying the old city by myself that time. To see these places is amazing because I'm working here, and this is one of the part of the Holy Sepulchre that I did not get into, but today I found out that there is a church inside also. So, and the man there, the caretaker named George, he welcomed me with very big smile. He's so nice. Yeah, so pretty. Follow, like, and share for more if you want to see more on Jerusalem. Thank you for watching. The old city of Jerusalem, Holy Sepulchre in the Christian quarter.